Akinobu Oguchi is known in Japan as the Hand of God. He's encountered many incurable diseases and has saved patients with his inspiration and skills. You too will be able to see a scene as if God has descended upon you. Akinobu Oguchi's miracle is a scientific technology that incorporates anatomy, physiology, and brain science into Kenbiki's method. Its essence is that it covers even mental illnesses and cures the human being itself. Akinobu Oguchi's Kenbiki is a treatment that focuses on the human structure itself and returns that structure to its original state. For this reason, we have been able to combine ancient techniques with modern scientific knowledge to elevate sword pulling to the highest level of treatment.
In life, there are rails that run towards several goals. There are rails that run toward many goals. As you switch from one to the other, tossed about by the many forks in the road. I'm running toward my goal, running as hard as I can. I turn around, it's a straight road, a life with no turning back. What kind of life do you want to lead? There is a profession that helps people. If you step into the world of therapy, you will be able to make the most of your skills and knowledge. You will be able to walk towards a bright future. Tendon Pulling Therapy, a traditional Japanese medicine evolving day by day with the goal of improving the patient's condition with a single stroke. Many miracles have been performed. I have performed many miracles. Make this miracle treatment your own. Why don't you add it to your own history? I have performed many miracles. Make this miracle treatment your own. Why don't you add it to your own history?